Most people want to do it from the vocal fry. And not using their falsetto as a register. Most of the time, people trying to go higher by using the vocal fry. Since the vocal fry is a register, the register is going to be over at some point. So you need to change register. If you go from vocal fry into the falsetto's register, then you will be able to go higher. And that's where you can actually extend more that fry, that beautiful fry we love. That's the main thing. That's why people actually struggle, because of the basics. And the problem is that most people don't even know what's falsetto.